Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to print black and white in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software. We can see there are many slides included this presentation. Now you want to print the black and white presentation. Go to the More option and click this Print option. Then wait some moment to creating the presentation. We can see here loading the preview. Here the all slides on the print preview. Now you want to make the presentation black and white. To print, go to the More setting option, and we can see here the paper size, paper per sheet, or quality, etc. Now I am go to the color drop down menu and click this black and white. Wait some moment. We can see the all slides is black and white. Now I am click this print option and print the presentation. Now we can see we print black and white in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.